Fighting four. Right foot yan ha. Ito yung set. O yung nasa likod na paa. Sa likod na paa. Ready? Go. One. Step back to your side. Good. Two. Good. Three. Good. Four. Five. Gawin natin ito. Ready? Six. Seven. Eight. Nine. That's fine. Jump. Jump. Okay. Let's do some kicking drills lang para mag-loosen yung aming mga paa. So, then do head kick, head kick, head kick. Ay, pahangin lang. So, dalawang head kick. Tapos, crescent. Dalawang crescent. Crescent, tapos crescent. Okay? So, head kick. 1, 2, crescent, crescent. Okay. Ready? Kasi parang may stick pa yung mga paa. Ready? 1 count, 4 kicks. You can move forward, ha? While kicking. You can move forward. Crescent, then crescent. Ready? 1. Then kick, ha? To behind. Ready? 2. Good. 3. Six. Good. Seven. Eight. Nine. Okay. So, practice natin yung mga sinasabi ko na shift, 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 turning side. Tapos, palit ng sides, kabila naman, shift, shift, turning side. So, bali 6 moves, 1 count. So, una yung lower stance, shift, shift, turning side. Tapos balik kayo sa pwesto nyo, kabila naman, stance. Shift, shift, turning side. Kasi yung shift ninyo, medyo mabilis. Para kayo talagang you're reacting to the fight. Shift, shift. So, ganito, parang nasa laban talaga. Medyo explosive. Shift, shift, turning side. Okay, tapos balik sa pwesto. Shift, shift, turning side. Ready? tumama, points. Kailangan, either masaktan o pumalawin sa ulo, talaga, pag naka-head kick. Pero, point system siya. I actually like yung rules sa mga bata eh. Kaya it's very important na hindi ka tamaan, pero ikaw nakaka-counter back ka. So, may headgear, may shin guard sila, pero ang katawan open. Kaya i-encourage yung mga bata to hit the body a lot. Hard punches to the body, hard kicks to the body. Kasi, malambot yan ang katawan ng bata. So, more likely na ma-injure or masaktan sa katawan. Okay, so let's go to the punches naman. So, ang gawin natin, we're just gonna do yung ating 6 normal combination, jab, straight, body, and then hook, hook. Pero gagawin na siya, tuloy-tuloy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. That's it, uppercut, hook, hook. Gagawin natin siya for straight 2 minutes. Wala kang tayo. Ready? 5 4. Minutes tuloy-tuloy ha. Ready? So jab, straight, uppercut. Pag mag-uppercut tayo yung body shot natin, make sure body shot natin. Straight, body shot. Hindi mag-uppercut. Body. Let's get used to hitting the body hard. Let's hit the body hard. Tapos hook sa mukha. Ready? 4. Start! Keep going. Jab, straight, uppercut. Hook. Yeah. So left, right. Two, cross. Ito lagi ang start. Jab, straight. Ito na naman. Body, nose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep going. 1 minute. Keep going. Going. 15 seconds. 10, 9, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Go ahead. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Ngayon naman, we're gonna do combination. Same. Halos parehas isa pero babawasan natin ang punches. Tatlong punches lang. So, ang gagawin, jab, straight. This time, body, but like what we always do, we combine legs and hands when we're doing our combination. So 1, 2, yung body natin, left, and then this is a bit, medyo malapit yung range for a head kick. So gagawin natin, ganun ang nangyari, dalawang body na lang. So 1, 2, body, we step back a bit. Listen, we're gonna do this. Step back, and then iwan ng head kick. Okay? So 1, 2, body, head kick. Okay? So jab straight, to the face, body shot, move back. Yung move back natin, yun na. Pero sa slide nila, as in, just a little bit. Kasi ang isipan naman natin, we're also going back. Kapag nag-move tayo from the last punch, back, move, ganun lang talaga. Okay, we're also moving backwards. Again, sige, by default. So, jab, straight, body, move, and then head kick. Aliation ka na sa ito. Hindi ko kasi parang ready? Ano to? On my count. 10 moves. Ready? 10 counts. Ready? Go 1. Move back, ha? 2. Body, step a bit back. Ready? 3. Sorry. Body. Ready? 4. When you're punching the body, make sure 1, 2. You move your head a little bit down. Bang. Hindi steady. Kasi ako susunod ka sa katawan, pwede ka sa katawan ng mukha. So, 1, 2, move your body. Move your head. Step back, your head is always moving. 1, 2, move back, and then head kick. Okay, ready? Compound time. 3. Ready? 4. Head kick. 7. Kick high to the face. 5. When you kick, like, you really want to kick, right? When you kick like all the way. You want to hurt them. Hindi lang nakinig. Okay? Jab straight, upper body, step back, and kick talaga. You kick hard. Ready? Muay Thai. So, if kicks are okay, you listen kids, ang tip, tinawag na tip o yung parang yung pushing o yung parang medyo palayin lang kung whether sa harap o sa likod, pa-push lang. Ang front kick, ang sarado front kick, should snap. So, it should like parang sa puto. So, okay? So, it's quick, snappy. Hindi siya parang natutulak. Ang goal mo is to hurt. So, kailangan. So, ang gagawin natin, for 2 minutes, you don't need to do fast yung pag-angat. Okay lang yun. Kasi, I know it's hard na pag-angat na mabilis. Pero, pag-angat mo, make sure it's flat. Hindi siya parang tutulak. Okay? Your goal is to snap it. Snap the leg. Ready? Two minutes. Kapilaan ko, kapilaan. So, ganun lang. You don't need to hurry. Ang goal is, na-explain natin yung snap. Yung bilis. Okay? Ready? 2 minutes. Start. Lift it up first, I say. Lift it up first. And then there. Snap. Lift it up. And then snap. We need to work that out kasi wala na sa atin yung front kick na yan. When you do front kick, it should hurt. Hindi yung parang tutulak mo lang. It's a very deadly kick. Keep going. Going. One minute. Go and start. Make it snappy. Snappy. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Final partner. Final partner. That's okay. Okay, nice and lang. Okay, so gagawin natin, we're just gonna train pa rin yung ating moving backwards para specifically for this time, for this group sa bata. Kasi kahit mas matanda sa actual motivation, gagawin natin ito. So gagawin lang natin, yung partner will punch first, a hard work punch, we're gonna block. So block lang natin, block, makuha, block, and then itong sunod, you should dash backward. So, ibablock mo, then dash for the second punch, Sunod-sunod, and then counter. Okay? Parang darting lang din siya. So, block, dart. Okay? Ready? Tapos, palitan. Gagawin yung partner muna. Pagkatapos niya, isa naman. Palitan na. Kahit isang side lang muna. Okay? Gawin lang siya for 2 minutes. Makuha niyo lang yung weighted ng foot first. So, natawag ito. Block na. Block. Counter. Okay? Step back counter pala. No, hook, right. Right ang unang suntos. Malaki yan. Parang power parts yan. Diba block, step back. You need to step back. Gawin mo sa akin. Ito, back. Ay, so, yung step ko, nagsiship ako. So, okay. Back. Ganun siya. So, hook back. Count again. Back. Slip nila side pala. Pero hindi kasi yung move back. Kasi pag slip nila sa side, ito yung hook patch din. Matama ka. Okay, magsunod. Sunod, back. Okay. Baka pwede sumunod. Sumunod siya ng sunod. So it needs to be sideways a little bit. Yeah. Hindi. Ako na pumapagay. Medyo malayo pa rin. So medyo slant on the side. Para malayo na sa power hand. Pero ikaw makakakot ka rin. Okay siya. Okay. Isa pa. Diba? Slip to the side pala. Okay. Don't step back pala. Slip to the side. Mapunta sa gilid. Pero medyo palayo pa rin. Okay? So jump. Sa gilid ang punta. Tapos counters. Make sure na pamayin nakataas lang pa rin. Kasi ito. Slip to the side. And then counter. Ready? 2 minutes. Yeah, let's do it together. Start! Okay, handahan nyo na. No later. Keep going, keep going. After this, you drink water. Oras to, oras. Bro, I didn't start. Because I keep going. Don't do it like that. Yung rhythm nyo hindi realistic. It should be 1, 2. Ito ka alam. 1. Just hook. Stop. Nagpo-pause kayo. So, gawin mo. Ang suntok mo parang nakakalaban. Okay, so, gano'n na ba? Boom. Yung split mo. Kasi yun yung reality. Hindi yan suntok na nagpo-pause. So, keep going, keep going.